If you want to hide a secure folder on a Motorola Moto G87, what you can do is essentially you can hide the secure folder from the app drawer and also from the Moto Secure app, because if you go to the Moto Secure app, here we have the secure folder as well. So in order to hide the secure folder, we need to open it, of course. Then tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and go to stealth mode. And here we can use the stealth mode in Moto Secure, so then the secure folder is not going to be available in the Moto Secure app. As you can see now, it is gone. Now let's reopen the secure folder. As you can see, we still have it in the app drawer, but what we can do is we can use stealth mode in app tray. There we go. And now the secure folder is gone. Now in that case, if you want to open the secure folder now, you actually have to go to settings, then go to security and privacy. Then over here at the bottom, go to more security and privacy. And then here we should be able to find the secure folder. And now we can enter it over here. There we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.